Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Narfa M. Chunain. William T. Morgan, the inventor of volleyball, in 1885, marketing the sports bird. He is depicted in period attire, holding a volleyball on early court with the FIV logo in the background. 1896 First Mintonette Game, the original name for volleyball, showing players on a court, an official in featuring the FIV logo, illustrating the sport's early history. Passion in parade shows Filipino players blocking in opportunity during the 2023 FIV Volleyball National Play, emphasizing the sport's energy in fan support in the Philippines. Volleyball, a global journey showing the sport's evolution from William Morgan's invitation, mistyped as Morgan. It is remaining to volleyball in 1900 and culminating in a modern days match in 2023 involving the Philippines, all under the FIVS global umbrella.